functional environments we've discussed before, workers stay at one machine. They complete the operation, then move the product or information along to the next operation. And, while this may make sense in a functional layout, we would need to continue to live with the inherent waste in functional environments. To fix this, organizations need to move towards process-based or flow-based environments. As you may have guessed, moving from a functional environment to a process-based environment changes the way people interact with machines or activities. Let's consider this interaction for a moment. In a process-based layout, different machines are placed together to enable flow. For simplicity, let's imagine a straight line of different machines that has an input and an output. This type of process-based layout would greatly reduce transportation, movement, and waiting in a process. And while these benefits are great, one challenge still exists. A company would not want to place one person at each machine in a process layout. Economically, this would not be practical. As such, employees need to be cross-trained to run various machines or complete different tasks. Cross-training people has many benefits in an organization. To start, employees are better able to handle a wide variety of challenges. They understand the entire value stream and they become more valuable to the company. Combined with automation, a cross-trained employee can really make a value stream flow. When employees understand the entire process, they can see how activities affect customers and suppliers much easier. In addition to this, many people begin to take a more deepened sense of pride in their work, which in turn allows them to take full responsibility for the work they do. One way that companies need to manage cross-training is with a visual skills matrix. The visual skills matrix gives employees a better view of who can do what and helps managers and supervisors set their teams up for success. Another change that often occurs when companies move from functional layouts to process-based layouts is the need for employees to move with the flow of the process. This often requires employees to be able to stand, which gives them the ability to move with the flow of their process or value stream. Standing when you are working will enable you to walk and move more freely. In addition to this, many employees find that the ability to stand in both manufacturing and service environments gives them a better ability to identify waste, find and root out problems, and is also highly beneficial to one's health. As you can see, cross-training in any organization is powerful for the company and for the people within the company, especially in a just-in-time environment. You've now learned how cross-training can help a company create more flow, and as always, we'd like to present you with a question that you can answer on paper, in the comments, or in the upcoming assignments section. Do people in your organization run multiple machines? And, if not, what do you think would need to take place so that people could run more than one machine? Well, thanks for joining us here. Remember to review and answer questions as they come. They will help you gain a deeper understanding of what you are learning. We'll see you right back here soon on Lean Strategies International LLC.